Freediving means diving on a breath hold. Freediving means to connect with the mind, to experience presence, to be more self-aware. It also means to connect with the planet in the most physical sense. We immerse ourselves in it. Every inch of our body is touched by sea, deeply affecting us. My name is Pepe Arcos, and I am a freediving photographer. As a former champion for my country, Spain, I dove to depths around 80 meters below the surface. Now I took those years of training into a greater passion, photography. My work has been published in important magazines and featured in big campaigns. I created art exhibitions and participated in many events, but it is not the commercial side of it what drives my creativity. I am here to push myself to capture a very personal view of the silent blue world. Moments that will not happen again, and to share these views with everybody, trying to inspire a new awareness of the oceans, to admire it and to protect it. Quite a few people know about freediving. Having FIFISH V6 as my big camera and partner, recording on my working sites allow me to let more people know who we are, how far we go, and how beautiful the ocean can be. I believe more people would enjoy the blue world with us. FIFISH V6 is small and light. It is not only for professionals but also for people with an adventurous mind. It is a great companion to record your memories and to share a peaceful journey with your friends. I do bring it on my trips. I am always looking for beautiful places. FIFISH V6 let us know about underwater conditions even before we jumped into the water. We can check the surroundings and go through the filming plan easier than ever. The live streaming feature let our boat crew know what is going on below the surface. It has significantly improved the communications efficiency, so I can put more energy and focusing on shooting. FIFISH V6 has unlimited freedom to film and shoot. It has 6 degrees of freedom, meaning that it can get incredible shots that a human diver could never achieve. For example, smooth shots in sideways or rolling while backwards. It has fueled my creativity and inspired me with new ideas. I traveled to some of the most amazing underwater locations in the world. I have been lucky enough to explore the magical cenotes in Mexico, freedive with great mantas at night in Hawaii, or being touched forever while listening the songs of the humpback whales in Tonga and swim underwater with them. There is so much to explore, so much to learn and so much to share that the ocean and me will forever be together, and I could never be back to a different life.